So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and most of you are having queries regarding the technical script at 2026 GfG event. So here we'll cover some of your queries like how to post, how will be knowing the streaks, all things will be covered in this video. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. And if you want to know how to participate in this event, it's very simple. You can just check out the videos which I have linked in the description. Coming over here, one more important thing I wanted to share that most of you are unable to get the post streak, means unable to get the likes and engagement. For that, I have created a specific Telegram group where you can just share your post openly and the group is open. So there you have to simply share your post. Do not worry, it will be open very soon. I've shared the link, just join it. And let's come to the topic directly. Okay. Now here it's the technical scripter which has started on 27th itself. And first out, most people are having, can we post now? So yes, you can start posting now. You have timeline from 27th of January till 27th of February. So you can post anytime from now till 27th of February. You will be eligible for the swags. And if you want 100% swags, then I will recommend start posting because there are two categories. There are 15-day category and 30-day category. There 100% everyone will be getting the t-shirt and money. Now money, as of now, there is no disclosement of whether they'll give us cash rewards or gift voucher, but mostly they give gift vouchers. I hope they will give gift vouchers only, or maybe if they give account, means the payment in cash, then they will ask for bank details, etc. So stay tuned, you'll be getting something. T-shirt is here for all. Now, how to post it? How to post? You have to come over here, and here you can say GfG Connect. You have to just open in a new tab, and here you can see there are multiple options. Share your thoughts, write articles, share experience. So depending on what you want to share, they have also updated the guidelines. If you want to see, there are multiple themes. So most of you are asking that can we post on multiple themes over here? Like if I want to post on work experience also, or admission experience, or puzzle, or maybe some tech news I want to post. So can I post all these threes or multiple things, or just we can alternate? Like today I posted about puzzle, tomorrow I will post about an interesting fact or tech news. So you can do it as on. Okay, there is no issue in it, but you have to make only 3 posts per day. Even if you make more than 3, but for swags it will be counted only 3 posts per day. That does not mean you will be able to get you have to just write only 15 days. Okay, here some important things, like you posted 3 posts for a day, and if you post for 5 days, then it will become 15 days posting streak. It won't be happen because most of you are asking this out only. Okay, so the most important thing is that you need to understand you have to post continuously from today till 15th day so that you are able to get the swags. For 30 days, if you are watching this video and started from today, it won't be possible, but you can still go for 15 days. And for other categories, it's obvious, but there is a luck by chance. But for this second category, it's 100% sure. Now let's come how to post. We have to just see the themes. Here are the themes, and most important things, you have to attach these hashtags below it. I'll show you a demo. So here you can see they are having a guidelines because most people were having confusion. So for short post, like share or thoughts, for example, if you want to share some tech news, some facts, some puzzles, some basic ideas which require additional 15 to 50 to 100 word limits. So for that, you have to simply click on here and directly post your thoughts. If you want to add images, you can attach the image also. There is no issue. For image also, there is a separate guideline. We'll cover it. Now for long post, it's related to some paragraph. If you make a bullet point, for example, you can see they have given an example also. For example, if you want to share your any hackathon journey or any competitive journey, or even if you applied for Google Summer of Code. So here you can see like this format you have to write in bullet points or maybe numeral forms. Okay, whether you have to put bold, where you have to put bold, where you have to put italics text. Okay, apart from this, if you are making an article, it will be long, around 800 to 2000 words. So here you need to make proper formatting where you have to use the heading, subheading, code blocks, format, images. Okay, like this, you can just add it and make sure to add the hashtags also. For hashtags, you can come above and see all these hashtags depending on whatever you are posting. Okay, there are 10 categories, but there is no compulsion that you have to post all 10 categories. Whatever you like, you can post daily also, you can repeat the same also, or you can just make alternate post also. Now here article we have covered. Now guidelines for the images. It should be clean and not overcrowded. Means the image means it should tell. It should have less text and more impressive. Here you have to make concise. Do not just paste whole article, make it concise. For example, sugar is sweet, so you can just make what are the ingredients present in the sweetness, which glucose is present, sucrose, etc. I am just giving random example. For example, if you are making article for Google Cloud Arcade, then you can make what are skill badges, what are lab free courses. You can similarly make informative articles over there with an example and images too. And here are the guidelines of the image dimensions. Okay, if you still have any doubts, you can let me know in the comment section. Now coming to the next query regarding the profile. So most of you are facing issue regarding the profile issue. Okay, so you have to come over here, go to my profile, and here you are seeing this error. Complete your profile and let others know better. So it's not compulsory, but if you want, you can simply update your profile. How you have to do, you have to click on edit profile over here. And after that, you have to add your mobile number, email address, gender, state, airline, etc. All things you have to mention and then simply save it. Okay, now still if you have updated all the things and if you are seeing this banner, do not worry, it's normal. You can just ignore it. Just keep completing all the challenges. You'll be eligible for the swags. Do not worry about it. Apart from this, if you are interested in Google Cloud Arcade, I have attached the video below. You can watch this video guide. And there are multiple challenges live in the channel. You can always explore the channel. So this was a quick update from me. If you still have any confusion, you can let me in the comment section. One more query, how will be the payout done? It will be either done by gift card and secondary by bank account details. They'll ask you. T-shirt size will be given to you. Once you complete 15 days, I think you'll be notified, or maybe after the event ends. Okay. After the technical scripter event ends, all winners will be, first of all, they'll verify the entry and they'll giving you the t-shirt size email. Means they'll ask you to just share your t-shirt size over there. So here this is about the event and how to post. Do not worry, I have created a Telegram channel. I have shared the sample post also. Make sure to help each other. Do not spam there. Okay. So this was a quick update I wanted to share, and the link of the Telegram group is in the description box. Make sure to check it out. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.